Hi there, welcome to our channel. This is Mommy G. It's been raining for the past 2 weeks and the plants are happy. The environment is wet and very humid, and this allowed for the plants to grow quite fast. There are plenty of new leaves. Unfortunately, there are also plenty of snails. Here we show you a baby snail, but that's not just one. There are plenty of baby snails that are feasting on the new leaf of our Anthurium plowmani. So those little things there are the snails. And apparently, a mother snail laid some eggs on this plant. This is an adult snail that we caught in the garden. Snails can live for years. Land snail having an average of 2-year lifetime. The snails that we've seen here are nymph. A snail can lay hundreds of eggs, but only few will survive depending on the condition. So here, we've found a garden snail that is climbing the wall of the garden. And we'll take it using a thong. We don't want to touch it because you may get some disease from a snail. And that's how it looks. Apparently you can cook this and eat it. And it's a delicacy on some parts of the world. But you need to make sure that you cook it properly. Some snails are invasive and it's treated as a pest. And one way to kill it is by putting salt on the snail. So here, my daughter tried it, and this is what happens when you put salt on the snail.
There's some things forming underneath it, and it's slowly gonna come out again. Okay, it's slowly coming out. Okay. It's going back out. It's getting back out. Like, there's thing forming underneath. It's like thing. I don't think it's okay, guys. I think it's gonna die. Because if you look closely, there's like some yellow mud thing. It looks like this. If what happens if you don't like wash a wound. I don't think it's gonna survive. Okay, bye.
Some snails are taken as pets, and in captivity, they can survive for more than a decade. One way of catching snails is to use a pan, pour in some beer, and place it near areas where there are snails. Maybe we'll try that sometime. A more humane way of killing snails is to stomp it with slippers or shoes. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hope that you're safe and secure despite the heavy and continuous rain, especially in the Philippines. We hope to see you in our next video, and we invite you to check out other videos in our channel. Stay safe and healthy, and see you in our next video. Bye!